Space exploration is on the verge of a revolution. Leading this charge is SpaceX, a company renowned for its ambition and innovation. With the debut of Starship V2, SpaceX is poised to redefine the boundaries of human spaceflight. This fully reusable spacecraft represents a giant leap forward in our quest to explore the cosmos. Starship V2 is not just an incremental improvement, it signifies a paradigm shift. Its unprecedented capabilities promise to make space travel more accessible and affordable. This has profound implications for scientific discovery, commercial ventures, and the future of humanity as a multi-planetary species. The anticipation surrounding Starship V2 is palpable. Scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting its first flight. This momentous event will mark the dawn of a new era in space exploration, opening up a realm of possibilities previously considered science fiction. The sheer scale and ambition of Starship V2 are a testament to SpaceX's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This revolutionary spacecraft has the potential to reshape our understanding of our place in the universe. Excitement is building as Flight 7 of Starship V2 draws near. This highly anticipated test flight is expected to be a major milestone in the development of the spacecraft. All eyes are on SpaceX as they prepare for this crucial step towards realizing the full potential of Starship. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, has been closely involved in the lead-up to Flight 7. Recent updates from the FAA have been positive, indicating progress towards final regulatory approvals. This is welcome news for SpaceX and space enthusiasts alike. Flight 7 will be a critical test of Starship's capabilities. It will gather valuable data on the spacecraft's performance during launch, ascent, and landing. The success of this flight will pave the way for more ambitious missions in the near future. The world is watching as the countdown to Flight 7 continues. This test flight represents a pivotal moment in the history of space exploration, and its outcome will have far-reaching implications. In a resounding display of technological prowess, SpaceX recently conducted a successful static fire test of Ship 33. This crucial test involved igniting all 6 of the Raptor engines, briefly illuminating the Texas sky with a fiery spectacle. The successful static fire test is a significant achievement for SpaceX. It demonstrates the reliability and power of the Raptor engines, which are essential for Starship's ambitious missions. This test brings SpaceX one step closer to the highly anticipated orbital flight of Starship. Engineers are meticulously analyzing the data collected during the static fire test. This information will be invaluable in fine-tuning the performance of Ship 33 and ensuring its readiness for future flights. The success of this test underscores the meticulous engineering and rigorous testing that goes into every SpaceX endeavor. Ship 33's powerful roar during the static fire test was not just the sound of engines igniting, it was the sound of progress. This successful test serves as a potent reminder of SpaceX's commitment to advancing space exploration and making life multiplanetary. SpaceX versus Blue Origin, a tale of two companies. The race to space is heating up, with SpaceX and Blue Origin emerging as the frontrunners. While both companies share the goal of making space more accessible, their approaches differ significantly. SpaceX, known for its rapid innovation and bold moves, stands in stark contrast to Blue Origin's more measured and methodical approach. SpaceX's relentless pace of development is evident in its frequent test flights and iterative design philosophy. The company's willingness to embrace risk and learn from failures has allowed it to progress at an unprecedented rate. This agility has given SpaceX a significant lead in the race to develop fully reusable spacecraft. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, has adopted a more cautious approach. The company has focused on developing suborbital tourism experiences while steadily working towards its orbital ambitions. Blue Origin's methodical approach prioritizes safety and reliability, even if it means slower progress. The contrasting approaches of SpaceX and Blue Origin have resulted in a fascinating competition. While SpaceX races ahead with ambitious projects like Starship, Blue Origin continues to refine its existing technologies and lay the groundwork for future endeavors. Reusability and rapid cadence, the keys to affordable spaceflight. SpaceX firmly believes that the key to unlocking the potential of space lies in achieving full reusability and increasing launch cadence. Reusability, a core principle of SpaceX's philosophy, drastically reduces the cost of spaceflight by allowing spacecraft to fly multiple missions. By designing spacecraft like Starship to be fully reusable, SpaceX aims to make space travel more akin to air travel. Imagine a future where spacecraft take off and land like airplanes, significantly reducing the cost and complexity of space exploration. Rapid launch cadence, another critical aspect of SpaceX's strategy, involves launching spacecraft with greater frequency. This allows for more experiments, more data collection, and ultimately, faster progress in space exploration. By combining reusability and rapid launch cadence, SpaceX aims to democratize access to space, making it possible for more people and organizations to contribute to our understanding of the cosmos. Starship V2, a beacon of progress in space exploration. Starship V2 stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. This remarkable spacecraft embodies the spirit of exploration and represents a significant leap forward in our technological capabilities. The successful static fire test of Ship 33 is just one of many milestones that highlight the incredible progress being made on Starship. Each successful test brings us closer to witnessing this marvel of engineering take flight and redefine the possibilities of space travel. Starship V2 has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. It will enable us to explore distant planets, study celestial objects in unprecedented detail, and perhaps even uncover the secrets of life beyond Earth. The development of Starship V2 is an ongoing saga filled with challenges and triumphs. It is a testament to the dedication, passion, and ingenuity of the engineers and scientists who are making this dream a reality. The future of space travel. Uncertainties and opportunities. The future of space travel is filled with both exciting possibilities and uncertainties. As SpaceX continues to push the boundaries with Starship, the established players in the space industry face an inflection point. They must adapt and innovate to remain competitive in this rapidly evolving landscape. The emergence of new technologies like Starship threatens to disrupt the traditional space industry. Companies that fail to embrace innovation risk being left behind in this new era of space exploration. However, the rise of commercial spaceflight also presents new opportunities. The demand for space-based services such as satellite launches and space tourism is growing rapidly, creating new markets and possibilities. The next decade will be a defining period for space exploration. The choices made today will shape the future of space travel and determine our destiny among the stars.